Now this is how you're going to peel your plantains. We have different types of plantains, and this one is a local Kenyan plantain. We call it Matoke. Mostly it's found in Kisii, Kenya, and other parts of the country in Western Kenya, although largely it's produced in Kisii County. And right now I'm peeling it. You can use your good knife as you peel it. There are different people who peel the matoke in a different way. They feel like maybe when you use your knife, you leave a lot of it out with the upper or the outside peeling. So the peeling is just done in an easy way. You need to sharpen your knife and make sure you be very careful. Don't insert a lot of pressure because you can easily cut off your finger or your hand. So this is how to peel it, and then make sure you insert in water immediately because it reacts with the air and it can turn out to be dark when it gets some oxygen to it. So you have to insert immediately in order when you peel it. So make sure you peel and completely remove the outside part, and it looks nice, you see, in water. And this is how you peel your matoke. Now I want to show you, if you deep fry all this, I want to show you how you're going to make beautiful pieces of pressed plantains. This is how I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, and during this time you can see you can get such a size. Is a good size for you, so you only use this and put in. They are very nice snacks. Now let me take you to the fryer. First you heat up your oil. This one we are going to put inside in the fryer like that. Then the moment it cooks up nicely, the moment it will cook, you'll just see. So make sure your temperature of the oil is a little medium, like 200 degrees Celsius or something there, around 250. So if it goes by 150, not bad, to 200, so it will cook nicely to brownish. Then after you remove, make sure it's brown like that. So you'll have to wait it to cool down. When it cools down, now you put on your chopping board, and then I'm going to show you this snack. It's very easy for you to make. You can use at home. You see, you can press it and feel it's already cooked and it is soft. Okay, so when it's soft like this, you want to peel something. I'm just using my knife to press it flat. Okay, so it looks something like this. Okay, mostly this matoke or pressed plantains is a Caribbean style, and I will show you another way on how to make a sandwich using such, and I'll show you step by step. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on this YouTube channel, and you love all this what you do. So this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to press all of them like that, and then I'll use now, just after you have deep fried them and they seem like nice like that, I have to put some little water. Why? Because I need to put salt on the matoke before I make them crispy. So make sure that our oil still hot. So you put some little oil in this water. I'm just using my plate. Then the reason why I put some little water on the plate and added some little salt is because I cannot spread salt on it, because matoke doesn't hold salt like we do the potatoes. So I'll just insert some little water, then I'll drain the water out. So when it is soaked in salty water, you'll drain the water away, just like I'm doing here. Then let's go to the fryer and then just deep fry them. Do not fear the oil. Make sure you dry up very well and deep fry them the way I'm doing right now. So the oil is hot enough. Remember I told you when you are doing at 200 degrees, so make sure you heat it up to 250 or something like that, and then depends with what type of machine are you using. Then if you can use the fryer like what I'm using, they're dry and crispy and salty and very tasty. So watch all these videos and you'll run this. Now this is how it looks like. This is where we are right now. After removing the oil, they look very crispy They look very nice. The matoke looks very nice. The pressed plantains, they call them, you can have them with uses of your liking. Like I use it with garlic aioli, and I put it as a side on my dish, especially sometimes in the morning or anything. And then you can use even your tomato sauce, the ketchup, or anything that you feel it can be the best sauce for you. You can use it with curry sauce when you're having some other meals. Take for example like meat or anything. Very nice. I have also several videos on these types of topics which you can help you to start a small business in different styles of snacks and meals using our locally available meals and foods. Okay, so make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to Honest Digits. Now in the next picture I want to show you some of the tools that we have used in this video. Okay, now one of the items that we want you to use is the karai. Karai is an animal wok which can help you if you want to start that small business for you to make chips or to make those plantains. You can use this karai. Comes in different sizes and it's a very cheap price, so make sure DM. I'm going to leave in the description box or in the number on your screen so that you get this karai and start your small business. This is another one. Now if you make your plantains and you want to drain the water, so you're not going to use a plate like I did, but you're going to use this strainer. It's called Vita Saver. So it's going to drain the water from the plantains, and if you soak the plantains well with the little salt, so make sure you measure this number, the salt, so it can't be too much salty so that people can't eat. So pick a medium one and test the water so this strainer comes in hand for you. Now I used the knife, and we have a set of knives. These knives can help you to chop your different types of vegetables and whatever you are cutting in your kitchen. It comes in hand with a sharpener and also a scissor that can help you to cut some paper, if it's a nylon or anything, or aluminium foil. It's a very nice gadget. Comes in full package. Okay, we have peelers too. If you're using you want to make plantains against chips, and the chips or the fries you want to make them locally, you can use this our handheld peeler. It's done very nicely for you. It can help you to make your chips, your fryers at a very small price that we are offering right now. So make sure you hit me and watch this video. Just a little meal, 1 or 2 items I need to show you, very important. This one is also a strainer that I said earlier before. The first one was very easy, but if you want something that is permanent, a very strong steel colander that will help you to strain the water from vegetables, from sukuma, from any. You are a mom and you're working on a sukuma or a kibanda and you want to use this steel colander, you can use this especially if you want to impress your customer. So the water will drain quickly and then you'll sell your thing. Now lastly but not least, this one is a very good holder of your gas. If you're a person who are going to use gas, it can help you to hold your gas up so that you don't bend down all the time. Okay, so make sure you hit the notification bell and see you in the next video. Okay, my name is Ernest, and the last part, that is the last part, is so this is a peeler, a handheld peeler, which can help you to peel quickly potatoes and gives you another different types of shape. If you want to have some lines on top, something like contours on your potato or on your fries, you can use this one. Comes in hand. So make sure you check the number on your screen and call me if you need all these items and tools which can help you to start your small business at the mtaa. So next, let me show you something. Now guys, this is how the plantains look on your plate. Now today I've used just a plain wood with serving with some aioli. Aioli is mayonnaise with some garlic and I've put some taste to it, so it looks this size. So very nice, and it's a very good starter and doesn't taste like the fries, you see, the potato fries. So potato fries tastes different from this one. This one comes with its own special and nice taste. that very appetizing. So you can also serve it like this. As you can see, there is meat there. I'll show you how to make mayonnaise too, and then there is also another different meal there, rice, and also so this comes in hand, and you can serve it differently. You see, it doesn't mean that it has to be exactly the one you're seeing on your screen, but it has to be served differently. So it depends with how you want to put it. If you want to put it in the morning with some fruits, with something aside on it, or if you want to put it as a dish, just a full dish with some stew of beef or chicken or anything, it goes out nicely. I'm telling you this, you live to remember. So if you are a hotel or if you want to start all this, I'm readily available for trainings. And if you want to know more about how to make these plantains very nicely, because most of us only know how to make it smashed or just cooked, fried in deep fried sauce, and also cooking or roasting it, but this is another type. It's quite easy. Okay, so I made this video entirely for you. Now next time we are going to talk about this one. Look at this, it looks nice, eh? I don't want to mention what is it, but this is what we're going to talk about next time. So make sure you watch the next video. I'll show you step by step on how to make this sandwich using potato, using plantains, and then you'll serve it with mayonnaise, or you'll eat it with salad or anything that you feel like. So make sure you hit the notification bell and receive all this within the required time. So I'll make sure that you get everything detailed, everything specific on whatever that I've promised you. So this is the plantains and the things that you need to use, especially when you go to the market. What do you need to use it? What do you need to get it? So it's just locally available plantains, or how you guys call it, matoke. So you keep it a very nice place when you're peeling it, when you're doing it. So this is how it looks like. This is a very local, and you see it's very easy. So all the product that comes with this one, it's quite easy for you to start using them. So it's quite easy for you to keep it and peel it, and different meals that comes with this type of food. It's very nice within your body, within everything. So make sure you hit the notification bell immediately, because you'll have to get the very best experience that you have never seen before. So you can start this as your side hustle anywhere, anytime. So look at here, this is here we're serving it with meal. Here we are serving it like a meal. You can see it's going alongside some beef, some stew. That is nice. So see you in the next video. My name is Daniel. Thanks for watching. Check out my next video and make sure you subscribe on this YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of my videos whenever I post. I have 3 types of playlist on my YouTube channel. So watch how to make money online, how to start your business, and how we are going to do this in our kitchen. So this is another new welcome on side hustles and how to make money online, and this is one of the way how we can make some more money. So have you subscribed? So make sure you subscribe right now. See you in the next video as we do another different meal.